Hello everyone, I am Kanak and you are watching Ready Steady Eat Again. Today I am going to show you how to make Paneer Makhani or Paneer Butter Masala. This is one of the most important and popular main course of the North Indians. So without any delay, let me show you what you need for this. First heat a wok. Now add butter to it. Once the butter is nicely melted and bubbly, now it's the time to add onion puree to it. Stir in the onions puree nicely so that all the water contents goes away and it becomes little light pink in color. Once the onion has started changing its color, now it's the time to add ginger garlic paste to it. And keep stirring for another 2 to 3 minutes until all the ginger garlic paste and the onion puree have incorporated well with each other. Once it has started changing its color, now is the time to add salt, red chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, garam masala, turmeric powder and give it a nice toss, mixing all the ingredients well. Make sure it doesn't get burned, so for this add water immediately and then keep stirring it for another 2 minutes. When you see all the masalas and the onion puree have nicely incorporated with each other, now is the time to add tomato puree to it and give it a toss. Now cover it with the lid and keep it on low flame for around 10 to 15 minutes. Now I am going to remove the lid. When you see that the tomato puree has reduced to half and it has started oozing out the oil, now is the time to add fenugreek leaves to it and again give it a toss for a minute. Now add fresh cream to it, stir it for another 1 to 2 minutes and now add the cashew puree and again toss it for around 1 to 2 minutes. Now I am going to add a pinch of food color. This is perfectly optional if you want to use it or you don't want to use it. I am adding a very little water to it. You can add the water as per your need. Finally, I am going to add the paneer cubes into it and nicely toss it with all the curry so that all the paneer is nicely coated with the gravy. Finally, I am going to garnish it with fresh coriander. Now my lovely, creamy, rich Paneer Makhani or Paneer Butter Masala is ready to plate now. Now my lovely, creamy Paneer Butter Masala or Paneer Makhani is ready to eat now. You can have this with plain rice or jeera rice or with any roti or naan of your choice. I hope you like my recipe today and do try it and let me know your valuable feedbacks in the comment section below. But before that, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to Ready Steady Eat for more such rich gravy recipes. It's me Kanak saying bye bye.